Welcome to our cuisine. Today I'm gonna be making okra. Yay! So we're gonna be making okra today. I have some crab. This is a crab. I already cleaned my crab and shrimps. So I'm gonna be making a seafood okra. Everything gonna be seafood, just the chicken feet, because African love chicken feet, so we love chicken feet. Yay! Okay. So I already cleaned my seafood, all my seafood. So this is the crab and shrimps, and I have fish. I got two kind of fish. So I already cleaned up all my fish. You can cook any fish in your choice. It's not just I just not even naming the name of the fish, because I will love you to go buy your own fish, any kind of fish you love. You can cook your own fish. It's not because like, okay, the one I'm cooking right now today, that's the same thing you need to buy. No, you can buy your own fish, whatever fish you love. Okay, so crab and shrimps and fish, and this is chicken feet. Yay! And my superstar, the superstar of this soup is what? The okra. Yes, that's my okra. Yay! Okay, so this is the ingredient, the one I'm gonna be cooking with, and the pepper. Okay, hot pepper. I have the hot pepper in the freezer, so I did not bring the. This is the season. My chicken says I love the chicken says. This is tastes good. If you don't have this, go and buy one. Tastes very good. Let's cook with that. And the Goya too, the all-purpose. You see, season. So this is good. Goya, what I love about Goya, you can cook this with anything. It tastes good too. And my chicken season, lovely. And this is the ginger powder. Why I like the ginger powder, because the ginger powder you can control that, but the other one sometimes can be more spicier. All right. Okay, let's start it. Yay! So this is the season. I'm gonna season all my meat, and I'm gonna start cooking the okra first. And after, I'm gonna add all the seafood, because the seafood don't take that much longer. But what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna start with the chicken feet, because the chicken feet need to be cooked more a little bit earlier. So I'm gonna cook the chicken feet first, and after the okra. Okay, after when I cook the okra, I'm gonna add everything inside now, and all the good season. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna add the oil, not the red oil, to it. So after add I'm gonna add the okra to fry the okra. It will be fried okra. When the way it depends the way you cook your okra though. If you want to make a fried okra, it's fried okra. If you want to make like boiled okra, is different. When you boil the okra, like some people will boil the okra separate and add it to the food. And if you fry it, trust me, big different. The taste would not be the same. The flavor is different. You see the okra? So now, because you don't want the oil to be too hot, so you're gonna add it now. You see it? So this is like a fried okra, because my mom used to tell me the difference. And sometimes when she cook it, you can touch it. You can know the difference. Sometimes when you fry okra like this, and you boil it and add it later, it's different.
Recording now.
Okay, so you see, I need some more oil on it, because the thing was frozen. So you see what it did? It sucked all the oil to it. So what I'm gonna do now, me and my husband is cooking. My superhero gonna bring my oil.
Ouch!
So he's helping me bringing the oil, because the oil is like heavy. Let me show you. You see, it's a little bit in the heavy side, so I don't feel like doing all this. So my Superman is helping me out. He don't want me to show his face. He said that he's so handsome, so he don't want everybody to see his handsome face. So we're gonna add more oil to it, some more red oil. Red oil is more healthier though. It's more healthier than the white oil. But if you wanted to, if you want to, you can fry it with oil. If you don't have red oil, you can add like a regular oil, like the cooking vegetable oil. Yeah. All right now, so I'm gonna show you guys the rest of it. Okay, this is something I was making for breakfast, and this is avocado, tomato, and cucumber and onions. And this is nice breakfast, very simple. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna add like a one Maggi. You're gonna add one Maggi. That's just a little simple thing. With my cooking don't go together. Don't go together. Don't go together. I'm gonna just give a little bonus breakfast, quick breakfast. And this is very tasty, trust me. My mom used to do this for us sometime to eat. And you're gonna add some mayonnaise. So if you add the mayonnaise to it, and you're gonna mix it and put in the bread. You toast your little bread and put it in the bread. So tasty. That's my mom's favorite food. So I just was making, I said, okay, let me just add it to my video. Okay, this is this is the okra now. So it got cooked, and then I add the chicken feet. I did not add no water, but you see the water is coming out because of the okra. So the okra got, the okra was a frozen okra, so the water is coming out. So I add the chicken feet. So the chicken feet is cooking now. I did not add no water. The water is coming from the okra himself. Okay, so you see, let me put it closer. It's a little bit water in it because the frozen. It was a frozen okra. So I add the chicken feet, and I add the season, like those season. I'll show you the chicken season and Maggi. You can add any Maggi you want to add, like the Maggi, like the chicken bouillon, any chicken bouillon you have, you can add that. But I like the African chicken bouillon, the Maggi. But if you don't have the Maggi, the American chicken bouillon is good to whatever you have. You just add that to. Okay, one thing about cooking, right? My mom always tell me this secret. My mom said, anytime you cook and try your food, if it tastes good on your tongue, trust me, if you put on rice, it will taste good. But if you try it on your tongue, it don't taste good, trust me, your food will never gonna taste good. Put the season on your food and make sure your food is well seasoned. Anytime you do that, your food will taste good. But if you try the food, it don't taste good on your tongue, and you add on rice, what make you think it will taste good? It will not taste good. And that's one of the big secrets my mom showed me, and that's the truth. Anytime you cooking, anything you cooking, you make sure it tastes good on your tongue. If it tastes good on your tongue, trust me, it will taste good on your rice. All right, so that's a big secret I just show you guys. So I'm gonna let this cooked because I want the chicken feet to cook, and after I'm gonna add all the seafood, because the seafood is very easy to cook. So that will be the last thing to add. All the time you're cooking the seafood, you always add the seafood the last time when the food is almost done, almost ready to cook, eat. Like the last thing, that will be the seafood. Because if I add the fish right now, all my fish will cook so fast, and I will destroy all my fish, and I don't want that. So that will be the last thing to put. Okay. All right. Okay, so I'm mixing it again. I'm gonna add the onions to it. Look, I already add all the seasoning to it. So the onions now. So after the rest of this stuff, okay? This is how it look like. I put some pepper on it, and I put the heat on medium because I don't want the food to burn. So you see the oil is coming up. So that's the difference now. You see the oil before, you used to have water. So now it don't have that much water left now. So that's the difference before and now. So you see. So it's frying now. Basically now it's all frying. See the close up, all frying. So this is what I like. So now we can able to add all your seafood now because it's almost ready. Okay, so let's add the seafood. So now this is the crab and the shrimp, so I'm gonna add those first. I'm gonna add all my crabs. This is crab. Bismillah. They say Bismillah to bless your food is very good. Bismillah. Anytime you cooking, you always say Bismillah is very good. So now I just add that. And so this is my fish. I'm gonna add my fish too. So if you add the fish, right, you don't want to keep it mixing it so much, because if you do, you're gonna all your fish gonna be smooth out. You don't want that. So that's it. So after when I mix it now, if I'm gonna mix it, would be just a little tiny bit, not like a too much mixing. So almost that's it. After you add fish, it's almost ready. I try it for the season as well, season, and I season my my fish too. You need to season your fish, so that's why when you season the soup before, I season it very light because I know the fish got season to it. So that's it. See. Now I'm gonna cover it now. Even if I'm gonna mix it now, just too much. I'm gonna just let it cook now to the fish is cooked. And that's it. I'm gonna turn up the light, the stove. That's it. So I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. Okay. So this is how it look like right now. You see the oil is everywhere. So it's almost done. Okay, this is the final product. Okay, this is the final product now. My food is ready. So you can eat this food or rice. Everything is good. My seafood is ready. Like the way I told you, the seafood don't take that long to cook. If I was cooking it with chicken and other stuff, that would take a long time. But the seafood one is more easier to cook. And it's more healthy, and that's why I even love it. So that's my final product. You see the oil. I did not put too much oil. Like some people want to put too much oil, like if you're eating it, the oil is coming out of your spoon. I don't like that. I like a medium like this. But if you want to put too much oil the way you want it, hey, you're welcome to do whatever you want to do. So this is how I like it. So thank you for watching our cuisine, and I love you guys so much. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you don't subscribe yet, under the button, the red one, just press that. You're gonna be a subscriber. Anytime I put a new video, you will see my new video. And if you're a new watcher, welcome to my channel. If you're the old one, welcome back, and love you guys so much. From my kitchen to your kitchen, and love you guys so much. May God bless all of you guys. Okay, thank you. Bye.